Maybe other side of town, it never rains. Ay, 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 ay. Okay. Repton Tech, what's going on? What's going on? Welcome, welcome. Good morning. I know. Also happy Mother's Day. I know you said you got some children, so happy Mother's Day to you. Hope y'all are doing good over that way. Welcome to the stream. We just chilling. I'm taking a look at somebody's project. She's really pull it up here. She's really great at this front end stuff. Like she's insane at the front end stuff. Getting breakfast in bed, nice. I remember doing that for my mom when we were younger. Did it a couple times, even though me and my sister couldn't cook. That's good though. I hope you enjoy your day and kick your feet up and just chill. Let's see here. Where is it? So we're looking at Monique's movie memory project. I mean, look at the design on this. I think it looks so good. She took some screenshots yesterday and added it to the README. Um, Kind of like a Netflix, Hulu streaming thing. But she did it all. So she's. I figured I'd fork it and like try to rebuild, not rebuild it, but kind of restructure it a little bit because she did it. Um, like all the stuff that could be on the back end is done through Firebase, and she's using regular HTML pages. She knows how. She's good with React too, which is the thing that I asked her. I reached out to her because she has another project that was made through React. With React, um, this one, Gym Natura. This one was done with React. So I asked her like, why didn't she use it, and she hasn't responded yet. So I'm curious, but I'm gonna try to make some changes there and also work on the database stuff or the backend stuff. I don't know how long I'll be streaming. I usually don't stream long, but we'll see. I also have study hall at like 1 o'clock my time, so have to teach some people how to work on API stuff, learn a little something myself. Old school movie day, huh? Old school movie. How old school we talking? Like 80s, 70s. Yeah, I'll let y'all know. I'll see what I get done here. 90s was okay. Like hood classics. Talking like The Wood, a little bit of Belly. I don't know. I don't know. Did Belly come out in the 90s? Huh. When did? I'll look that up. When the hell did that come out? I don't think so. Right? Early 2000s, maybe. 98. I was right. Okay. All right. Well, sci-fi movies. 90s sci-fi movies. Thing was in the 80s, I think, or the 70s. What's the 90s sci-fi? Alien came out in the 80s, I think, too. Let's look up 90s sci-fi real quick, because I know I've seen a lot of movies. Let me think. Yeah, it's tough. Yeah, believe it or not. Technically, I guess that is becoming old school. 30 years ago is old school now. The Fifth Element. Bicentennial Man, Men in Black, 13-4. Yeah. Kind of weird. Star Trek. All right, well, enjoy your movie day. Independence Day, true. I don't know if Starship Troopers counts as one. Contact. I remember watching Contact. Space, Gattaca. I need me a movie day. I haven't had one in a few months. So, but yeah, you enjoy it, and if I'm still on when you stop back by, feel free to stop on in. If not, it's all good. Peace and love. I might actually just have to delete what I just did with this React app thing and try this again. Because I forgot using Vite, you can just do it automatically. if you create a Vite project or Vite, whatever it's called, Vite, I think it's called Vite, pronounced Vite. You can choose between React, what language you choose, and all that stuff. So that's actually probably the move. And then I can just move her files into that. Come on now. Yes, delete. I hate that it does this. Well, I shouldn't need to, dude. If I was on Linux, there would be no issue. Okay. Try this again. I need me a desk plant. That's what I was supposed to do the other day. Is give me some plants, man. I can't wait to get plants again. We're gonna do create the at latest. We're gonna go with client 2 using React, TypeScript. Okay. And then we're gonna be able to move everything on over. This will be the easiest way, I think, to do this. Okay, that's good. That's good. And we're gonna go ahead and get rid of this and this. And we don't have any assets right now. We're gonna get rid of that one. Public, we're gonna go ahead and get rid of that. And then boom. Now we can start moving shit over. Gonna be a little funky, but that's alright. Pages. Components. Okay. So she currently has HTML, account, browse, index, and movies and memory. So we need to do cd into source, touch. Jimbo, what's up, man? How you doing? Welcome, welcome. .tsx browse.tsx index.tsx. I'm doing good. The job's going all right. I got on a project, or I'm getting on a project this week. I should start on the project. I won't say what I'm doing on stream. I can tell you more like in a message or something on like Discord what it's gonna be. What I'm gonna be working on, but so far so good, man. So far so good. Thanks for asking. Memories.ts. Oh my god, I put them in the wrong page. These are supposed to be in pages. Damn it. Yeah, I hope so too. I mean, it's a junior dev full stack role on this project. I can say the tech stack is just like React and JavaScript. I'm not sure about the TypeScript part, which is whatever. And MySQL. I don't know what else is gonna be mixed up in there. When I find out, once I get in there on the team, I'll let you know. Okay. So we're gonna install, I always forget how to install it, but we're gonna install the Vite Pages plugin for React. How's things going with you, Jimbo? I see you working on a lot of different things, it seems like. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, let's go ahead and take all this stuff here. Unless I have to make a styles. She actually has styles, I'm pretty sure. But she does. Perfect. Now this is the part that is gonna have to go. Doing good, got a good start on converting the Java Lucene library. I just finished a Unicode string class that handles strings. String class. Jimbo, I know you're working so much, like JavaScript and PHP, and are you pretty proficient in Java? This is the craziest regex I've ever seen. My God, this is one hell of a regex. Holy shit. And, oh, she's saying, oh, it's or. Okay, oh my God, so it's that or. Oh. 10 years ago. I like Java. From the little bit that I spent with it, I didn't do much with it, but try using some of the libraries and stuff for this one. It was not too much in there, but I was trying to like get used to like the data types and stuff. Pretty cool. I want to work with it more. I just haven't. I haven't gotten around to it, I guess. Okay, so this all should be pretty straightforward to take. And this is gonna go into account, and we'll delete what we don't need. Do 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 do. Make regex they need to properly document. Yeah, it looks. It was kind of funky looking. Kind of funky looking, if we're being honest. So the script that she uses for that is going to be from the source.scripts or source/script/accounts. And what kind of JavaScript we got in here? TypeScript. Okay. Now the only thing is we're going to have to change whatever she's got going on with Firebase and then do it all in our own backend. But for now, we'll just take everything. I'm not too worried about it. And we're gonna go ahead and close that. So Jimbo, right now, I don't know if you've heard, but I'm looking at a friend's project or a buddy's project. She has this movie app, which is pretty freaking sick. I'm not gonna lie, pretty freaking sick. Not that one. That's her other one. That's a React project. This one. And I was looking at it and I'm like, well, all of it's all like front end code, you know, and me being more interested in back end development and needing to practice and learn and whatnot, I was like, well, maybe we can do something where we build out an API, serve it up, you know, have our database, because she wants users to be able to like kind of do like a faux login type of deal. So I'm kind of interested on the idea of it. So that's what we're looking at, just kind of doing the basic restructure today. The start of a restructure. That's why I have a branch forked off called restructure. Jimbo, man, it's been almost a year since I've been coding. Next month? Oh no. July, so 2 months more from now. 2 months from now. That's almost 2 months since you started jumping in my streams too, by the way. Maybe like 3 months, I think. I don't remember the first time I streamed, but oh, we also have, oh, this is a component. Yeah, man. Pretty cool. Got a job. It's crazy to think. Work my ass off, learn as much as I can, still kind of suck at it, but got a job out of it. It's pretty damn cool. Okay. So we need to add all of that stuff. I didn't take those scripts, did I? Okay. We're gonna put them all in here, even though it's gonna be really funky. Class form. Clear form. Return. Error.message. Error.code. We might actually have to take this byte by byte. So let's go ahead and take these. Yeah, because we're gonna need the. We won't need the import. I don't know. Whatever. We'll just take it all for now. Yeah, this is very confusing. This is gonna be a crazy process to try to clean up, like change this all up. If I even do it, to be honest. Pagination. What is this? Like, is this CSS or something? Mixing here? Like inline? What is swiper? Swiper pagination. What is this? What is this coming from? Swiper. Oh no. She's gonna have to import. This is gonna be a pain in the ass. Swiper. Modern mobile touch slider and framework for hardware. Wait. You don't need the footer. Where's this div? Oh man, this is actually gonna be. That'd be a cool feature to add. Once I get like this basic restructure down and then get the code cleaned up a little bit more familiar to what I know or understand, I definitely think so. User sign up, authentication, push notification sounds cool. I want to do push notifications for my banking app. I haven't gotten around to it. I really want to. This is all JavaScript type stuff. Excuse me. I've been watching a new show called man, it's so good. It's called From. If you guys can find, if anybody out there can find From, man, I'm telling you, it's so good. Oh. If you like kind of a little violent, little thriller slash horror. Watching another one called Mayfair Witches, which I'm not crazy about. It's okay, I guess. Never heard of it? I didn't either until the other day. Oh, I'll pull it up in a second. Hold on. It's called From. I guess it's on whatever MGM owns. I don't know if that's their own service. MGM Plus. Everybody has a fucking service. All it is turning it back into normal TV. That's all it is. And you're just paying more for it. God damn, it's so stupid. It's rated pretty decently. It looks like at least the first season is. Definitely recommend giving it a shot. Looks like Amazon Pro. You could just use this site that I use. But on a VPN, just use this site. They got everything on here. Well, not everything, but shows and movies and all that stuff. Now, also put on the ad blocker because you will get spammed to hell on this site. But quality's pretty good when you actually get the show going. That was some completely different music. That was a short. Yeah, recommend it. Recommend it for sure. For sure. All right, so this one is using main.ts. I can't find the music. I have a whole playlist of. Oh man. Dun 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 dun. My jam. Okay. How many more do we got? We got two-ish more movies and movies memories. So she's got a page dedicated to like stuff that you watched, kind of like a history page, maybe. I need to check out the. Honestly, what I need to do is just do a quick install of her. But oh, I don't have this Firebase stuff, so this doesn't really do much good. Boom, 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 boom. Ba-dum-dum-dum. Memories.tsx is what we're looking for. Did we do the browse one already? We did, okay. You add an issue to hers or my fork of it? Oh, to hers. Nice. It's weird to see you on GitHub, Jimbo. I know you're a GitLab kind of guy. Yeah. Does GitLab have a dark mode? Every time I go there, it burns my eyes. Like that. You know what? Actually, it's not. I'm not even signed in. It would. It works when I'm signed in. There is a dark mode when I'm signed in. Never mind. Do. All right. Let's see here. Memories.ts. My hands have been, my right hand has been shaking a lot the last few days. It's getting hard to click with my mouse. There's a dark mode would be nice to default to the OS settings. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, exactly. When not signed in, it would be great. And I don't know why it keeps signing me out either. Like GitHub keeps me signed in for forever. I don't know if that's a security thing or if I could change that, but I don't know. Oh, right. She has classes in here too. Oh. That's how she did it. Oh man, this is actually going to be more rough than I thought. So it's just more HTML? Yeah, no, it's I'm just saying like there's more that I have to add to these pages that I forgot about. Um, yeah, Java is it's classes. Yeah, that was my first experience with classes too. Java. I guess my first and only experience with it. It just means there's more for me to add that I forgot about, and I don't know. Hmm. I might have to take this a step at a time, more so than I thought. We'll worry about the classes later, though. We'll keep that. We're just gonna get the normal crap here first. Okay, which ones? So we did account. Account's good. Browse is good for now. Index is good. Memories is good. So we can move memories up here into archive. Movies is next. I'm gonna mute myself for a moment. I got a message to listen to. Okay. All right. What was I doing though? So these, I'm not sure if these are like bits and pieces or these are actually pages. Does she have a search page and like a? Looks like she might. But at the same time, I'm not sure if these are like gonna like part of components or something. Smaller bits of code. I would imagine they are full pages, so we're gonna treat them as such. And if they're not, then I can always go back and change it. And then I gotta think about all of this. There's so many changes that I'm making here. I plan to make. Oh wait, yeah, right here. Scripts. So yeah, the same thing. I feel like search could be like a component on a page, but whatever. Um, okay, no problem. So let's do that then. TV shows first, and then we'll do the other one. Where's the HTML? There it is. Oh my god. What, this site? Um, I'm not. I mean, if she is, I just wanted to take a look at it. I didn't really plan on doing anything else like that. There wouldn't be a terrible idea to have something like that. I do want my country's site. Let's see here. I do want my project to have multiple languages supported, but man, that's so much there. We're slowly making progress on it. Slowly. Why isn't that popping up? AL. Hold on. Why did I break? We're slowly getting there. We added maps, but then again, I just broke something. The name of the country's not popping up. Oh, because I didn't push it to master. That's right. Did I? Yeah, I know, right? You need somebody to translate all those words. What did I break? I broke something in my project, y'all, and I'm a little worried. Hold on, we might have to take a pause from hers. We might have to take a... Wait a minute. I broke something in my project yesterday. Or 2 days ago. This is not supposed to be like that. None of the flags are... So none of the data from the API that I built, or that I'm hosting on GitHub pages is loading, working. So it is there. So what did I do? I must have broke something in the code. Sorry about that. I don't know what. Sometimes, dude, fucking Windows just pisses me off sometimes. This is interesting. Oh my god. I didn't even commit all that code I just changed. I'm still... Whatever. How did I break this though? Formal Goose Foundation, howdy, what's going on? Long time no hear from. Welcome. I'm currently looking at to what I did yesterday that actually broke my code on my little app that I'm building. We were looking at a friend's project, but then I got distracted, looked at my project, and saw that it was broken. None of this data from the API that I'm hosting on GitHub pages is being called. But it was, right? Let's check it out. It's not software unless you break things, yeah. Okay, local, yeah, local is fine. Why is local fine? But environmental variables? No, there isn't one for this. Um, where am I making this? It's not ahead of any. Okay, I don't know what I just broke. How did I break this on main? Here's the data we want. Same thing, but the data's not showing up. So uh, hmm. It doesn't make any sense, does it? Like works on it works on my machine. Oh, you know what? Is it? Hold on. Let me see something. It might be in the server. Is it server side? No. I thought it would have been this. No, it's not a cores error though. Is it? Um. No, I pushed everything. I think like as far as GitHub is concerned. I merged it yesterday. Minor changes. What was the other minor change? Oh, I did change the models, but it's not of the API that. It's not about. It's not the API that is broken. This is something completely different. That shouldn't have anything to do with it, right? Because it shouldn't, because it works on local still. Hmm. So it's still. Hold on, let me see something here. Let's check out the old console. RE. Oh. Right. Okay. That's probably what that. Well, that's not probably. That's what the issue is. Wait a minute. I think literally that was it. Let's find out, shall we? Literally just change that. Somebody forked my That's 3 forks. I wonder. Oh, Jimbo just did it. I was like, who else forked my stuff? Okay, so I think this might have fixed it. Let's go ahead and merge it real quick and see. Or we can actually check it out on the preview of this. So that looks good. So let's check it out. No Versal. All right, let's try it out here. Slash country. Slash AU. There we go. I think that's good. It's just literally I was making an HTTP request instead of a HTTPS, or a request using a URL. Awesome. One letter broke everything. Cool. We can merge it then. How do you redirect it? How do you do that? Would it be like yes or HTTP? It's Express.js. Number 200. Okay, well now that's figured out, go back to original plan. So I finally started adding uh, maps to each country. The problem is that I'm gonna have sent a readme fix. All right. The problem that I'm gonna have. Oh, because it's supposed to be just right. Either that or just slash. Okay, yeah, I can do that real quick. All checks have failed. Stop it. Do that. Faster. Yeah, that should be fine. You only change one thing. Need to add a script into the. Okay. You're on the contributor list now, Jimbo. Or you're about to be, I guess. Maybe you're not. Go. Why aren't you there? Hmm. Well, okay, maybe you're not on the contributor list. That's kind of weird. Yeah, so what I've been looking to do a few more things on this project. I want to make a map so people can interact with a map, just a regular map. I was thinking about a globe, but a globe would be is they don't make it easy to make a 3JS. It's just too much. I'm thinking about having a map page. Uh, and then continue to add data for all these countries. Yeah, not much left to do. I mean, I got some issues open. By the end of the month, I want to have a few of these things done. Oh, and a loading screen. I don't think I need the loading screen because technically, I thought it was just the host for the backend for the server render.com. I thought it was being slow, but technically it's not. It was just waking up the instance, so it was just taking some time. I don't think we need a loading screen unless it's for like an initial load, maybe like. Oh, you do? You're on there now? All right, congratulations. We'll see it update probably tomorrow then, maybe. Yeah. Data dev. I haven't seen you in a while either. I guess I don't stream that often, but welcome. How you? Yeah, so here's what happens. So on the initial, like when the like the instance of render.com is not, it's in hibernation. So when you go to like view countries, this will not load up. It'll take up to like 3 to 4 minutes sometimes of just blank screen, and then it'll finally render the pages on the initial load. After every time you do it after that, it's fine. But on that very first one, after a few minutes, after the server whatever goes into hibernation, 3 to 4 minutes sometimes of just waiting. And there's nothing on the page. It's literally just a blank screen except for the header and the background. Yeah, nobody will wait that long, and it sucks because I would have to, the service I'm using, I would probably just have to pay for like use one of the pay tiers to prevent that, and nobody wants to wait that long. I don't want to wait that long. It's my own damn site, so it's either like pay for it. It's using render.com. The alternative. That's the only alternative I could find aside from a free alternative that's simple than Heroku. I'm sure there's an alternative out there that's way more complicated than I'm willing to put in that issue. Oh, yeah. I really need. It needs a lot more work here, but at some point I need to stop with this project. I want to work on it super passively, but right now I've just been working on it so much, I think. Yep. Yep. Okay, well that fixed that issue. Boy, oh boy. What do I do now? 1 hour and 17 minutes is a long stream for me. Let's see if there's anybody worth hosting. Waiting or whatever. Software development. I'll probably be working on, I'm gonna still be working on a computer, I just don't feel like being on camera. Um, software. There's music off. Let's find somebody. Yeah, figured out how to do HTTP. Oh well, if you want to put a PR in or code snippet, I can take a look right now. Or if you just want to send it over Discord. Guy's watching himself. Oh, he speaks Korean. Like he's using React. I prefer it be an English speaking, it's semi English speaking. Let me know if you do that PR before I raid somebody, Jimbo. I'll take a look at it on stream. I've seen this guy so many times. He's always just outside places talking. Editive program. That sounds horrible. Hey, there's me. Simple React app material design. German? Might take a bit looking at new servers. The hosting service is render.com if you're interested. Well, I'm trying to find somebody to give you to, Jimbo. Oh, this guy.
That's good. So now what I want to do real quick is so we got
Learning how to type on a Kensys.
we can go here and we can say English. Let's do this. Okay, I've heard a lot of talk about
Yeah, let's go with that guy. Why not? What's his name? NK. All right, Jimbo. I'm gonna send you on over to somebody if you're cool with it. Thanks, man. Thanks for stopping by. I'll have another one probably this week. As things at work kick off. If things are slow, I might have another or like coding still stream or something. Later.